Get your red poncho ready! This is the most immersive 4K virtual tour of Niagara Falls from the Canadian side. Join us as we embark on two iconic adventures: the powerful journey behind the falls tunnels and the thrilling city cruises, taking you directly into the heart of the mighty Horseshoe Falls. We captured every breathtaking moment with high-quality 4K camera and 3D spatial audio. From the thunderous roar deep within the bedrock to the crashing mist out on the water, you'll feel like you're right there with us in your own red poncho. Off we go! This is Niagara Falls like you've never experienced it. Up close, personal, and absolutely breathtaking. Perfect for thrill seekers, nature lovers, and anyone ready to feel the unstoppable force of nature. This unforgettable double experience combines two of Niagara's most iconic attractions into one water-soaked thrill ride. First, venture deep behind the cascading curtain of the Horseshoe Falls on the journey behind the falls, where you'll descend 125 feet through bedrock tunnels to observation portals that place you directly behind millions of gallons of rushing water. Feel the raw power vibrating through the rock as the falls thunder mere feet away, and step out onto the lower observation deck where the mist-filled air and deafening roar create an almost otherworldly atmosphere. Then, don your bright red poncho for the legendary Niagara City Cruises boat experience, Canada's answer to the famous boat tours. Navigate into the basin of the Horseshoe Falls themselves, where you'll get drenched in the spray as your vessel battles through the churning waters. The red ponchos aren't just for show. You'll need every bit of protection as you venture closer to the falls than you ever imagined possible, surrounded by rainbows dancing through the mist and the thunderous roar of 750,000 gallons of water crashing down every second.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's get wet. Here it
already tried this. Oh my god, look at the pool right there. Take a photo. There's a rainbow on this side. You know what? There's a rainbow. I thought it was a fit. I don't know. Oh, I'm recording. I'm surprised how long you stay in. I know, but we're right there. It's a full rainbow. That's what I I will say, I don't feel like we're rocking. No, and I almost feel better in the middle than you know, with right. Now we're having a little bit of a wave activity. Oh, what's behind you? How come the people that came out didn't look that wet? I don't know, but I'm so fucking wet. Maybe you got your air dryer to dry on? Oh, maybe. I didn't see it. Oh. Okay, yeah, we're not That poor guy was a happy, like, the last one was so wet. We're not done yet. You're still gonna go back out. We already did. It's back there. Sure. Look, softer. Can we warn them?
Why US boat doesn't have a Canadian flag? Why US boat doesn't have a Canadian flag?
I'm so cute. You gotta go again. You gotta go again. Hey, Courtney, go.
Love what you've seen? Don't miss our future adventures in paradise. Hit that subscribe button now to join our journey and be the first to discover hidden gems across the world. Until the next time!